Hari ni 23 Ramadan, buat kerja gila. Ni macam mana wiring saya buat. Saya masuk wiring dari situ. Saya pas sikit lah. Then routing to the hole there. Lepas tu guna wire. Put a wire inside here. Put a lot of RG0TT. Lieutenant Chan punya formula. Put a lot of lubrication in there. Then as the routing, catch the wire, take it out. And this is only a pin. I'm using a special tool from Lazada. Bought it for $5. $5 actually. Lazada. Open it up. Hook down there. Open it up. All 8 of them. Put on here. Fasten the wire. And put double-sided on the camera. That's about it. Now, the moment of truth, yeah. We're going to test it, yeah, and see what happened, yeah. Right, already done. There's a lot of stuff over here. Everything from Lazada. Lubrication sponsored by Chan. Oh, part of this missing. No way. Okay, then. Part of screw. And then we go inside the car. Okay. Yeah, the people. Start it. Okay. That car looks good, yeah. Okay, now we put into the reverse position. Ta-da! Testing again now in the front camera. And put the car into the reverse position. Voila! Left and front and back camera, yeah? It works, yeah? Alright. On the way to work now.